Do you want to know how you can log out of your Fliki AI account but don't know how to do so? Don't you worry. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Fliki AI account. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. Let's go ahead with the video straight. Go ahead and open Fliki AI, log into your account, and to log out of your account, go ahead and click account, which is on the left hand side. You can see log out on the bottom. Go ahead and click it and click log out again. You can see that you have been logged out of your account. Let me show it to you once again. Let me go ahead and open my account. After I open and continue to my account, I'll go to account, which is on the left hand side, click log out and click log out again. This way, you can successfully log out of your Fliki AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.